Good morning everyone, welcome back to i6 Journey. Today's episode I'm going to show you how to replace your OEM windshield wiper. First thing you need to do is to get into wiper mode, and I'll attach the link to that video that I made earlier. It's quite easy to do this. The first thing you need to do is lift up this tab here, and then lift the arm up and just slide this down. Make sure that tab is up. Slide this down and pull it off. Alright, so that's your old one right there. New one I got is lighter. Here it is. This is the Bosch ICONS. A lot lighter than the OEM one, and definitely it won't streak anymore since it's brand new. The OEM one only lasted about 5,000 miles. Alright, so first thing you need to do here is just lift this tab up here. Okay. Just slide this in, just like that. And there you go. Close the tab. Voila, you're done. Okay. And there you go. That's how you replace your windshield wipers on Ioniq 6. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe my channel.